Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new wig. This is it right here. Okay, this is the cute little packaging. Now I picked this up from Amazon. Now this one was super cute. I've seen quite a few girls here on YouTube reviewing this wig, and I was like, that's cute. It reminds me of something that I used to wear back in the day. It was called a Molly wig. This wig was super cute. It was curly, girl. It had like a bang, and the curls was just like, girl, I don't know. It kind of gave 70s vibes, but it was super cute. So inside the package, they just fell. It came with some beige wig caps, and you do get some tattoos, some cute little temporary tattoos if that's your thing. They include those. We got us some hoops, girl, because these style wigs do look cute with big hoops. But these are skinny though. I really don't wear the skinny ones like that. I like my hoops to have some girth to them. Okay, they got to be some big ones. But yeah, we got a headband. Okay, that's cute because you can wear this unit as a headband wig too if you wanted to. But this is it. This is the packaging. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. Oh, now I'm dressed for work, so this is going to be the look for today. We're going to see how she performs at work. Now this is like a full cap regular wig, okay? Just like a regular wig. I call these the edge savers. And I call them edge savers because, girl, you don't have to glue these down. You know, use anything harsh along your edges, okay? We're saving our edges. I'm going to go ahead and clip off the tag. Okay, for our new cute little edge saving wig. This is what the cap looks like inside. Just typical. You have a drawstring in the back, and you have your two temple combs. But I ain't even gonna lie, combs can be detrimental to your hair too, because girl, those can just break your hair clean off. I typically don't use combs in my wigs, but we may have to use this one for this. Let's see how this goes on. Let's go ahead and try it on. Now off the top, she's big head friendly. Really nice cap construction, stretching right now. Ooh, we're giving James Brown, honey. James Brown can never, honey. His hair wasn't this fabulous. Not even on his good days. But this is cute. Okay, she's cute. We got to, you know, finger comb it a bit, but she's definitely cute. She's giving R&B diva type vibes. So many possibilities for her. She's a cutie. Okay. Let me get her together and get her in her final position. And we'll be right back. Alright, girl, I'm back and she's cute. I love it. I feel like this is the perfect wig for these warmer weather months. Girl, it's off the neck. It's curly. Just pretty right out the pack. Girl, she's working. Look at it. Yes, let me give you some full back view. These curls are popping. Girl, she's too cute. I'm feeling it. Let me know down below in the comments area if you can see yourself rocking this one. This one is so cute. You can do so much with this one. So much can be done with this unit. She's super cute. Now, like I said, you can wear this as a half wig with the headband if you wanted to, but girl, I'm feeling it just like this. Girl, put on my huge hoops. Girl, it's a total look. She's a look. This one's super cute. I'm feeling this one. She's cute. Let me know down below what you think. I like it. I totally love this unit. It is so effortlessly pretty. And it does come in other colors. I think now I'm going to go back and order that brown and blonde look. It's brown with the blonde like tips on the curls. Girl, it was given. It was definitely given. It would be perfect for this time right now. I think that's the one. We're gonna order that one next. But this one's so cute. Let me know down below what you think of today's wig, girl. I'm gonna rock this one to work today. This one's super duper cute. I'm feeling it. But yes, girl, that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Make Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye, girl. I am loving my new cheap wig, and she was under 30 bucks. This was under $30. I love a good affordable find, and girl, this one is just the best.